Now, the beach is a great place to talk about a special type of mixture called solutions. And to help me do that, I'm going to go down, get some seawater. Okay, here's the seawater, and it's nice and clear. You can't see any particles in it. That's because the particles in this mixture are at the atomic level. Like, they're so small that it's just individual atoms are the particles. So what's in here? We've got water, and we would call water a solvent because it's a liquid that does the dissolving. And we've got some solutes. So they're the solid things that get dissolved in the solvent. So the solutes in here would be mostly sodium chloride, which is table salt, but also a bunch of other things in small quantities. Now I want to show you the process for how things dissolve, okay? How water dissolves salt, for example. So I've got some salt. I'm going to chuck that in there. This will increase the concentration of this salt solution. Alright, can you see the particles when I start mixing? You can see them there. But I'm going to keep mixing with my twig. I mix, mix, mix. And what happens is, the water, the solvent, is actually breaking apart those salt crystals atom by atom and making it look like they disappear, but they don't. They just get spread really thinly in the water. And it's a bit cloudy because there's now lots of little air bubbles in it. But you can't see any of the actual grains of salt anymore. It's completely dissolved. So that's what we mean by solutions. I'm going to give you one more thing to think about before we're done here. We're just looking at a solution, and the particles are so small, you might think they'd be really hard to separate. But there actually is a fairly easy way to separate. Here it is, here's the clue. This used to be a rock pool, like that one. And now this is all that's left. So what do you think? How could we separate the solution?